Hi, this is Ivy with WTI, and are you also a green tea or kombucha fanatic? Then you've come to the right place.
I love green tea and I also love kombucha, so this tea has been the best thing for me because I love that they're both combined. This is great because it has so many benefits for your health. It's got the antioxidants, it's got the probiotics that you might need, so it supports your overall health in general. Now let's talk about the flavor, because green tea and kombucha on their own are not that tasty, but this green tea is absolutely delicious, and that's thanks to the passion fruit and plum fruit infusion. It is super sweet and tasty. I also love that this contains caffeine because I love to replace my morning coffee with this green tea instead. It gives me so much energy in the morning and it really helps in my digestion right from the very beginning. And if that wasn't enough, this green tea is also organic and gluten-free, so it is great for everyone.
I absolutely love this green tea and I love the mix between the two, but that's just my point of view.